Multiplication with 4 digits in the multiplier is not the most difficult of tasks. Not saying it is easy, but it's not all that difficult. This is called your multiplicand, and this is your multiplier. Your multiplier tells you which timetable you need to know. In this particular case, we have a 3, 5, 4, and 2. So the highest timetable you need to know is your 5 times table. Don't watch the numbers in your multiplicand. Watch your multiplier. So we have the 5 times table, 3 times table, 4 times table, and the 2 times table. Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, we're going to put it on the place value chart. 2, 4, 5, and 3. This tells us the place of the numbers we're working with. And the place of the numbers we're working with will determine the zeros that we put in our partial factors. Let's start with place value number 1. Place value 1, we have a 2. The 2 is in the ones place. A 1 does not carry any 0, so all we're going to do is just go ahead and multiply by the 2. 2, 5 give you 10, put down the 0, carry the 1. Remember, you always leave the 1s and carry the 10s. When you write 10, the 0 is in the 1s place, the 1 is in the 10s place. We leave our 1s, we carry our 10. 2, 5 gives us 10, put on the 0, carry the 1. 2, 4 is going to give us 8, but you also need to add this 1 to it, the 1 that you carry. 2, 4 is 8, and 1 give you 9. There's nothing to carry, so we'll put down the 9. 2 3s give us 6, and 2 2s gives us 4. It is always very important to keep your numbers in the correct place, or else when you're ready to add, you're going to have a problem. So this is our partial factor number 1, and that is the 2. We're going to move on to use the 4. What place is the 4? The 4 is in the tens place. So we're going to multiply. The value of this is 40. The place is in the tens place. So we put a 0 here before we start multiplying by the 4. 4, 5, 20. Remember, we'll put down the 1s, carry the 10. Because if you're writing 20 over here, the 0 is in the 1s place, the 2 is in the 10s place. Always leave your 1s, carry your 10. So we have 0 1s, so we have 2 10s. So 4, 5, 20. 4, 5, 20, put on 0. The 2 is supposed to be here. Sorry. 2 is supposed to be here. And we have 4, 4, 16 plus this 2 that we carry. It was 18. Put down the 8, carry the 1. Remember, if it was 18, 8 is in the 1s place. 1 is in the 10s place. So we put down the 1, we carry the 10. 4 3 is 12 plus this 1 gives us 13. Put down the 3, carry the 1. And 4 2s is 8 plus 1 give us 9. Do not join it up over here, put it in a different place. Alright? We're going to move on now to the 5. The 5 is in what place? It's in the hundreds place. So the value of this is 500. But the place is in the hundreds place. 100 carry 2 zeros. So we put 1 0 here, 2 0 here. Why? Because the value of the 5 is 500, which is 2 zeros. So we put 2 zeros here. This was in the 1s place, 1 0 was there. This is in the hundreds place, 2 zeros there. Fine? Then we're going to multiply 5 times 5 give us 25. This would be 25. 5 in the 1s place, 2 is in the 10s place. So 5, 5, 25, we put down the 5, carry the 2. 5 4 is 20 plus this 2 that we carry. 5 4 is 20 plus 2 give us 22. Put down one of the 2, bring the other 2. This should have been 22. This 2 would be in the 1s place, this 2 would be in the 10s place. Remember, we leave the 1s, we carry the 10. After, always remember that. So 5 4 is 20. 5 5 25. carry the 2. 5 4 is 20 plus 2 is 22. 5 3 is 15 plus 2 gives us 17, carry the 1. 5 2 is 10 plus 1 gives us 11. So we're getting wider. If you notice, we're getting wider. Do not squeeze them up. Ensure that numbers are in their correct place. I'm trying my very best to write in the correct space. We're moving on to the 3, and the 3 is in what place? The 3 is in the thousand place. So the value of it is 3,000. So we have to put 3 zeros. Remember 1 0 when it was the 4, 2 zeros when it was the 5, and 3 zeros now we're dealing with the 3. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Then we go 3 5 is 15, put down the 5, carry the 1. 3 4 is 12 plus 1, 13, carry the 1. 3 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10, put down the 0, carry the 1. 3 2 is 6 plus 1 gives us 7. Then we're going to draw our line and we're going to add these partial factors. Remember, factor times factor gives us product. So this is our partial, these are our partial factors before we get the product. Ensure that your numbers are in line. These are a little bit lean, but they must always be in line, right? Or else when you're adding, you're going to have problem. So these are a little bit lean though. This is all 0. The rule says 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. And 9 plus 0 is going to equal to the same value. 9 plus all these zeros. Now 6 and 8 gives us 14. And 5 is 19. So we put down the 9 and carry the 1. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 3 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Put down the 5, carry the 1. 9 and 1 is 10, plus 7 is 17, plus 3 is 20. We put down the 0, carry the 2. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. 7 plus 1 gives us 8. And so we're going to count from right to left, and every 3 digit, we're going to put a comma. 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. So what do we have here? We have 8,305,990. It's a really big number though, right? 8,305,990. So it's not the easiest of tasks, but it's not difficult if you take your time and put your numbers in the correct place. That is the key.